I want every comrade hearing me here, online, on television, wherever you are. You can't sell your vote for $5,000 or $10,000 when 700,000 are going to get the title for the piece of land where you live on and release over $1 trillion of ownership to the people of this country. Every single comrade that is listening to me, no time for sleep. We are going to sleep Thursday night from Yasso until Wednesday evening when poll close. Every movement in your PD, you must know who in there, what them are doing there, what them come out. Be vigilant in your communities. Inducement. People giving people something in exchange for their vote is a crime according to ROPA, the Representation of the People's Act. The PNP give your cell phone, follow back at them and video them when they come in at the constituency. Get the evidence, catch them red-handed because this must be a free and fair election.